Alright, now we got the jet ski. Oh man, the thing's a little broke, but that's fine. I don't think it'll do much at all. I'm gonna start the timer on this jet ski here. Not the timer, the speed meter. Back, track, read. Okay. I believe there was like 30 something. You can tell the water coming up fast. The currents, the tide coming in fast here. Okay. Hold on. I think the battery might be a bit too low. Oh, come on, let's. Yeah, I think the battery is low. Let's try again. Lucy, stay. Lucy, stay, Lucy. Come here, Lucy. Lucy. Oh, we're gonna stop the timer. That was 34. That was 34 miles per hour on the jet ski. I think the battery is just low. Because I feel like I don't get power from it. Not a lot of water. Stay, Liz. Good girl. Okay, can do this way. There you go. Come on, Lucy. Lucy. Stay loose. Oh my God, look at the water. It's only up here. You can tell the tide coming in quick. Did I start it? Track. Oh man, I gotta bring the jet ski back. Hey, no. Okay, testing. That one run pretty good. Oh, something wrong. The battery is only low. Jeez. What a madness. Let's see what the speed is. 37 miles per hour. That was 37 miles per hour on a jet ski. Jeez. I think it just okay, let's try again. Actually, let's try the jet ski on 0 degree nozzle. I don't think it makes a difference. I lost Bluetooth for some reason. Wow, look at that. The water is all the way up here. The water is all the way up here, Luz. The water is coming in quick. Jeez. We kind of run out of battery power and I don't want to push my battery. That was fun, but again, I think I can go a little bit more on each of the battery, but again, I don't want to push it. Yeah, the motor, it's 21.5. Let's see if there's any water in it, because the jet ski is always giving me like hard time with like water and stuff. There's always water in the jet ski because the sealing on the shaft, yes, there are water in it. Matter of fact, I don't know where it came from, and again, let's go check it out. See where the water came from. I wonder if from the seal in here. I don't think it is, but it might. It might be from the seal in here. Yo, it's from my, I think I know what it is. It's from the tube here. There's a tube right there that you epoxy into the brass. There's a little leakage right there. You can see it's shooting out water when it got to it. Yeah. Yep. Okay. So it's not the seal. So it pretty much, that was the water from the brass, 3mm brass pipe that cut the tubing, the silicone tubing that shoot the water into the jet ski. So that was cost. That is not okay. So it's not the seal. So I was worried about the seal a little bit. And yeah, I mean that's pretty much it for the testing today. really successful, I would say. We got most of the record beating today, so we got high score on most of the speed. So getting high score on most of the speed here, including the turn off my controller here. So that was people coming. So the I forgot the Renegade or Renegade, whatever you call this one. So this one was 45 miles per hour maximum speed so far for me. The Jetski is 37 miles per hour. I don't know what's that in kilometer, so I need to go convert it. Okay, value out of home. So anyway, what I noticed so far, okay, the intake here. So this is the one Ryan made, which is available for everybody that you can download when you buy MJ35 file. This is the mod. So far, this is the one that increased the speed for me. I tried to redesign the one that Ryan designed, just make a little bit change it. It did not improve the speed. Matter of fact, it does not improve the speed. It slowed down about 3 miles per hour. This is the one, the best so far. Also, the Jetski I did. This is the Valkyrie or whatever you call it. This is the Jetski. I call it the Jetski. I add the V on the bottom hull here. I don't know if that was gonna do anything. Again, this is not, the V mod here is not meant for the Jetski. It's meant for the Renegade here. And yeah, I did not do anything specifically different. I mean, I sand it to 400 grit on each of the bottom. This one not so smooth. I'm building the next one. The next one is gonna be even more crazy. Definitely even more crazy. The setup on these two is really similar. I think it's 1720 kV on this guy. I'll have 60 amp ESC and 1520 on this guy. I'll have 20 amp. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I might play with my airbud a little bit because I enjoy playing with the airbud. It's fun. So alright, I guess I'll see you guys next video. If you have any question, let me know.